Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of Analytic Study of Lines. Let's solve it together. Find the slope of the line passing through points S, 3 and 5, and the T, 3 and -2, and determine if the angle of inclination is acute or obtuse. So to solve this question, you would need to know the formula of how to find a slope of a line that passes through 2 points. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, I will label this point as x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. And if I will substitute these values in, so y2 is -2 minus 5 over our x2 is, this is 2, 3 minus 3. I'm gonna delete this section. So this becomes -7 over 0. What is -7 over 0? It's undefined, right? Denominator cannot be 0, so this is undefined. So the slope of this line is undefined, because this is one thing, we just found its slope. What about whether the angle of inclination is an acute or obtuse? I will give you this information. If the slope is positive, the angle of inclination is acute. And if the slope is negative, the angle of inclination is obtuse. In this case, there is this undefined is neither positive nor negative, right? And this is, let me show you what kind of lines are undefined. The vertical lines are undefined because, for instance, like this, let's say this is x equals 4, or another one, x equals negative, let's say 7. So these points are vertical lines, and since to find a slope we need to have a rise over run, right? In this case, there is no run. There is rise, like -7 we had it in this problem, but there is no run. In that case, there is no inclination, so that you will just say the slope is undefined, but we cannot talk about the angle of inclination in this case. So this is how you solve this. There you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.